Hello viewers. Recently, we are the Torontonian got second round wildfire smoke which blanket whole Toronto city. Please enjoy this video. Environment Canada said smoke plumes from forest fires in northeastern Ontario and Quebec has migrated to other parts of the province, including the Greater Toronto and Hamilton area, resulting in deteriorating air quality. Poor air quality may persist in some areas of Toronto on Thursday and Friday due to forest fire smoke, Environment Canada says. The Federal Weather Agency issued a special weather statement for Toronto on Wednesday, saying, very high levels of air pollution were expected in the city throughout the day and into the night. Smoke plumes from fires over northeastern Ontario and Quebec have moved into the area, resulting in deteriorated air quality, Environment Canada said in the statement. At one point on Wednesday afternoon, Toronto's air quality was ranked worst among major cities of the world due to the forest fire smoke, according to a ranking provided by air quality tracker IQ-Air. Later in the evening, IQ-Air ranked Toronto as the sixth worst for air quality, behind Dubai in the United Arab Emirates, Chicago, Delhi, Washington, D.C., and Detroit. Conditions, however, are expected to improve for some areas on Thursday or Friday, according to Environment Canada. Air quality and visibility due to wildfire smoke can fluctuate over short distances and can vary considerably from hour to hour, the Federal Weather Agency said. Environment Canada said smoke plumes from forest fires in northeastern Ontario and Quebec has migrated to other parts of the province, including the Greater Toronto and Hamilton area, resulting in deteriorating air quality. Wildfire smoke bringing high levels of air pollution to Toronto, Weather Agency says. A special air quality statement for the Toronto area remains in effect Wednesday after Environment Canada advised high levels of air pollution will develop and continue throughout this week. The Weather Agency said smoke plumes from forest fires over northeastern Ontario and Quebec have moved into the areas and the air quality has deteriorated. High levels of air pollution is expected to continue into today due to smoke from forest fires, Environment Canada said early Wednesday. People at risk include seniors, infants, children, pregnant women, those who work outside or who are engaging in strenuous outdoor activities, and people with chronic health problems such as cancer or diabetes. Those who are not considered high risk should also consider reducing or rescheduling strenuous outdoor activities if they experience symptoms such as coughing and throat irritation. If you must spend time outdoors, a well-fitted respirator-type mask, such as a NIOSH-certified N95 or equivalent respirator, that does not allow air to pass through small openings between the mask and face, can help reduce your exposure to the fine particles in smoke. These fine particles generally pose the greatest risk to health, Environment Canada said. The agency added, however, that respirators do not reduce exposure to the gases in wildfire smoke.